Good evening, everyone. So I wanted to test an idea of putting up videos a bit early and see how's the response. That is why the video, not in the morning, but in the evening itself. All right. Before we begin this video, I would like to request you to, refer to yesterday's video because whatever the predictions were, whatever we had estimated, it resumes quite some importance in terms of our accuracy of prediction. Do watch that. It's a short video of 3 or 4 minutes and will be very useful. All right, so as we can see on a daily chart, the trend continued, the upward trend, the bullishness continued, and that bullishness was with quite some conviction. You see, the Nifty opened up above our resistance level at 600, 18,600, and held strong, went up in a very good way. Now the momentum is trustworthy, if I could say, and no pullback, no big pullback, and it traded within this channel that we had drawn, right? If you remember, that's why I was referring to yesterday's video. But let's see the magic on an hourly chart. This is a daily chart. Let's go to a hourly chart where we will see the real magic. All right, all right. Here is the fun. I think this is more clearer. Let's see. Let's talk about it here. And this was the channel we had drawn, and this was the you see my cursor. This was the last. This is where yesterday's Nifty had ended. It was just below the 18,600 mark, right? Not below, but a little bit above 18,600 mark, but well below our resistance line that we had drawn. Now, our contention was that if Nifty starts moving up within this channel, it will take a support at this 18,600 and go up. There would be, it's a little bit of consolidation will happen and good chance of moving up. Good chance of moving up, but not much. That is exactly what happened today. It moved up. It moved up right from the start. If you see this candle here at 18,000, it opened up well above 18,600, took support at this point, and then this bottom of our channel started acting as a good support. And after a few hours, it took a big plunge upside, right, and closed 0.75% above yesterday's close, right. This is amazing. This was, our prediction coming true. It's you really love it, right? In any case, let's go to a 15-minute chart and see how things are shaping up there. See, this is the start. This is the start of the day, and this channel has acted very well. This channel has acted as an actual support. Now we can say more confidently, right? We can say more confidently that it will move up in this channel. Even if it comes down, this support has now solidified. And if for tomorrow, the resistance would be at this point here. Resistance would be at anywhere between 18,850 and 18,920. So 18,850 and 18,920, this would be the resistance. Otherwise, it is expected to stay within this channel. Our supports are at 18,680 and 18,770, right? So it should stay within this range, right? So, what is going to affect us is the global turmoil, the China situation, US, the mother markets as we call them. The mothership is acting in a strange way. It's not responding very well to the happenings in China, the lockdown, the protest against the government, because most of the manufacturing base is still based out of China, and US markets are not responding very well to the situation there. Apple is affected the most, as you must be hearing from the news, and that is why Apple is the stocks are showing a little bit of pressure towards the downside, right? So that is one factor that will affect us. The other factor is the crude prices. The crude prices are on their way down, on based upon their speculation about the Chinese market, because if the demand in the Chinese market doesn't go up, there will be oversupply in the market. In any case, we are quite protected from the crude side given the cap that is going to be implemented on the Russian crude, right? So these are the few factors that will affect Nifty tomorrow. But let's keep concentrating on the technical side. That is where our strength lies, and I am expecting this trend to continue upwards. Thank you very much for joining us.